guys. Today I am here to clarify a doubt, that is why mango is called our national fruit. The national fruit of India is mango. The first, amazingly diverse in its varieties and applications. In India, mango is more than a fruit. The origin of mango is so ancient that mango is an inherent part of Indian culture. In India, one cannot imagine spending a year without relishing of mango it is any forms. Nor do they perform an auspicious ceremony without it leaves. In India is the birthplace of mango. This national fruit of India has been cultivated for ages. According to researchers, the origin of mango is first found in the Assam Buram region. The wild varieties of mangoes are first found in foothills of the Himalayas. Hari Om, thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Mohana Vaishni. Today I am going to tell about my favorite fruit. My favorite fruit is mango. Mango is king of the all fruit. Mango is our national fruit. Mango is very tasty and healthy. Mango is different colors and different varieties. Mango is contains vitamin A and vitamin C. It is used to make ice cream, juices, cake, pickles, etc. This is the mango, yellow mango, very tasty, very tasty. Eat it in the summer, eat everyone, eat every fruit and stay healthy. Thank you. Bye.
I am Ishan. Why do we celebrate Mango Day? The history of Mango Day. Mangoes were first cultivated in India 5000 years ago and traveled to Southeast Asia between the 5th and 4th century BC. In 10th century AD, where cultivated began in East Africa, the paisley patterns developed in India is said to be based of the shape of the mango.
This is Saranya. I am studying 3rd standard in GVK Chinmaya Vidyalaya. Today, here I am say a few words about mango. Why I am say mango today? Because today is National Mango Day. Yes, mango is our national fruit. Why is mango our national fruit? What is the history of mango? The scientific name of mango is Mangifera indica. 5000 years ago, India is first to grow mangoes. Then traveled to Southeast Asia. Third and 4th centuries BC. The government of India declared mango important to fruit. India is world largest producer of mango. Mango is good to health, improves digestion, strength and bones, improves eyesight, improves memory. Mango is rich, improves mercures nutrients largest like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, beta carotene, magnesium. Eat mango every day. Stay healthy. Happy Mango Day. Hariom, thank you.
Hello, my name is Hema Sampasai. I am studying 4th class. I wish you all happy National Mango Day to all. Now I will tell about why is mango our national fruit. Mango is our national fruit because it is fleshy and juicy fruit. It has many varieties and used to prepare so many items. No other fruit have these qualities. The items are mango bars, mango jellies, mango cakes, mango juices, mango milkshakes, etc. So that's why mango is our national fruit and also known as fruit of the gods, king of the fruits, apple of the tropic. Now I will tell about what is the history of mango day. The mangoes were first cultivated in India 5,000 years ago and traveled to Southeast Asia between the 5th and 4th centuries BC. In the 10th century AD, the mangoes were cultivated in East Africa. Again, I wish you happy National Mango Day to all. Harivam, thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is SK Mahir Azam. I am studying 2nd class in GVK Chinmaya Vidyalaya. I am telling about a mango poem. Mama, mama, mango. Mama, mama, mango. Yummy, tasty mango. Yummy, tasty mango. Green mango, yellow mango. It takes two to tango. Green mango, yellow mango. It takes two to tango. It's not just a fruit, but the king of the fruits. It's not just a fruit, but the king of the fruits. Mama, mama, mango. Mama, mama, mango. Yummy, tasty mango. Yummy, tasty mango. Thank you, ma'am.
Hariom, my name is A. Sahiti. I am studying 5th class. Today I am telling about National Mango Day. I like mangoes very much. In my home there had one big of mango tree. In that big of so many of mangoes. My mother prepared for me around summer mango juice, mango pickles, also mango ice cream. We celebrated on the National Mango Day 22 July 2021. Super of super fruit it is and mango. Hariom, thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is SK Anmol Zahra. I am studying 4th class in GVK Chinmaya Vidyalaya. Today is National Mango Day. Now, so first I am going to tell you that Happy National Mango Day. Now I am going to tell about why mango is the national fruit. Mango is the national fruit of India, which is loved by one and all. It's a juicy, pulpy and delicious fruit. Mango is my favorite fruit because it is sweet and refreshing flavor. Mangifera indica is the scientific name of the mango tree. The juicy fruit and its rich variety and vitamins A, C and D and minerals. The government of India declared that the mango is most the tropical climate of India. The poet Kalidasa sang its praises. The Mughal Emperor Akbar planted 1 lakh mango trees in Darbhanga in Bihar, in now called Lakhi Bagh. So, from these so many causes, we can conclude that the mango is the national fruit of India. Thank you, one and all.